Look at that, I'm checking that cloud. It was going too fast for a commercial aeroplane, that. Much too fast. That is really way too fast. And check out the chemtrails leaving behind, you know. That is an example, that is not a commercial aeroplane. That is a military craft and it's spraying the shit in the sky. That is a military craft. Just goes to show, doesn't it? That is true, man. And they're doing it, and they usually do it this time of the day as well. It's going too fast. That's probably what the speed of sound that is. That's way too fast. I was watching it then, I thought I'll grab my cam, you know, just, you know, yeah, it's gone now. That was fast, that was fast. Left itself a little chemtrail, look, it's a proper chemtrail art, look, check it out. That's the chemtrail, there's another one crossing over it as well, look, that's the one. The thinner one, another more recent one. That was just like whizzing across the sky so fast, unreal. And of course, check out the flatness, the straightness of it all. I mean, another example, another way to gauge how flat the Earth actually is. Captain Pancake signing off. Boom, 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 boom. Booyaka.